I've been selling real estate and foreclosures for over 20 years, and I'm going to share with you 3 misconceptions about foreclosures. Number 1, banks are motivated to get the property off their books. That's false, folks. That's not true, okay? Banks are not motivated. There is no motivation. They give us 3-month listing contracts at a time, and they extend them to 3 or 4 times. They're guaranteed they're going to take a year, half a year on the market. A lot of times. They're not motivated. Number 2, banks are listing properties below market value because they need work. That's one of the most ridiculous things I've ever heard. That's not true. Properties are getting listed higher than ever right now, okay? Above market value. So, false statement. Number 3, there's less competition because banks have a stigma about them. Foreclosures do. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. And I've heard this repeated twice in the last week on different videos. Folks, that's not true, okay? There's plenty of people that'll buy foreclosures. Most people don't care. Most investors don't care, okay? There is no stigma when it comes to that. There's not enough inventory out there, okay?